Perichala. My project name is line following robot. Component Arduino L298N, motor driver IR sensor, battery holder, switch, jumper cable, thread rope, robotic choice kit.
My name is Pawan. I am studying 9th class in ZPHS School, Perichala. My project name is line following robot. A line following robot is an robot designed to detect of following a perceived defined past represent by a black or white line on a contrasting surface. These robots are widely used in automatical and robotic education as their demonstration principle of sensor integration, control systems, and path following growing the primary objective of this project is to design and implement a line following robot capable of accuracy navigation a given track using a combination of IR sensor, microcontroller programming, and stability, efficiency, and precision, while these various curves and influence on the track.
My name is Aradhya. I am studying 7th class in ZPHS School, Perichala. My project name is line following robot. The developed in line following robot successfully demonstrated its ability to maintain a predefined path with high accuracy and reliability. Implementation of a control system significantly improved the robot's performance, particularly on sharp turns and varying speeds. This project highlights the importance of integrating sensors and systems for effective robotic design. Thank you.
Thank you.